Yeah, today we shall be considering mathematics of finance for undergraduates. We shall be looking at 5 major headings considering mathematics of finance for undergraduates. Our first consideration today shall be amortization. So considering amortization, we have to start with the formula. We have to use the right formula. Ability to use the right formula is very important in the calculation involving mathematics of finance. So this is a very important formula to be considered. We say M is equal to P into R over 12, all of that divided by 1 minus 1 plus R over 12, all raised to power minus 12t. We have to define these parameters involved in the formula. M is the monthly payment or monthly installments. P is the principal amount, that is the amount of money that was used to start the business. R is the annual interest rates. N is the number of times interest is compounded per year. Then T is the time of investment in years. We haven't got the formula correct. We can take a question like this. Say, David borrowed money from the bank to buy a motorcycle. He took out a personal amortized loan for $15,000 at an interest rate of 5.5% with monthly payments for a term of 6 years. For each part, do not round any intermediate computations and round your final answer to the nearest cent. Now, having considered the other instructions, let's look at the question proper. Question A, find David's monthly payments. Question B, if David pays the monthly payment each month for the full term, find his total amount to repay the loan. Question C, if David pays the monthly payment each month for the full term, find the total amount of interest he will pay. Now let's consider the solution. So starting with A, from the question, we can see that the principal is $15,000, the rate is 5.5%, the time is 6 years. We are looking for the monthly, David's monthly payment or his monthly installment. So we have to, recall the formula, okay? All we need to do is to impute these parameters into the formula. This is the right formula to use. So if you impute these parameters into the formula correctly, okay, remember the instruction says, do not round up intermediate computations. It's very important to take note of that. So you can see how many number of decimal places involved here. Okay, to a large extent, this is a good degree of accuracy. That should give you 245.06831. So, to the nearest cent, David's monthly installment, we will say, is $245.07. For solution to question B, the total amount after full term of repayment is going to be monthly installments times the number of months. That is monthly installment times the number of months. Oh my God. Monthly installment times the number of months, okay, involved, which will be 245.07 times 72. There are 72 months in 6 years. So that will give us $17,645.04. Then for question C, total amount of interest accrued. This will be total amount paid off minus amount borrowed. That will be 17,645.04 minus 15,000. That will give us $2,645.04. Thank you very much. You can reach out to OBJ today. Just call OBJ or visit him on WhatsApp, +234 708 972 2930. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.